This episode of Soldier Knows Best is brought to you by Full Sail University. Hey, what's up guys, Soldier Knows Best here. This video is going to be my first look at the new Mailbox application. Now, I had to wait about at least a week and a half for me to finally get my hands on because there's a waiting list for this app. I'll talk about that later. But anyway, I'm going to be showing you just how this app functions and what really is the fuss about it. So, just going to take a look at it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and launch the Mailbox application right here, and I'm taking immediately to my inbox. And you can see right there at the top, it did go ahead and sync to make sure if I had any new messages, it would go ahead and bring that back into the application. But I have no new emails. But just generally, I like the overall look of this application. It's a softer tone than most email apps, just very pleasing to the eye. Now at the top, I really do like that they put all the buttons here at the top. On the top right hand corner, you do have your create a new email button. And it kind of feels like I'm about to get ready to send a text message. So I do like that. So it doesn't feel like you're just about to send another boring email. But anyway, right here, you hit the plus button. It'll take you to your contacts. If you hit this little arrow button next to that, it'll get you your CC and your BCC. And then you have your subject field. And then you have your body field right there. And also, too, what's different from the standard iOS mail application, you have a button dedicated right here for the camera. So you can choose to take a photo with the camera. Then it'll be automatically embedded into this email. Or you can choose a photo that's already in your photo library. So I really do like that. In the iOS stock mail application, you gotta tap and hold and do a couple other things just to add a photo, which I don't like. Now I'm gonna cancel that, and I'm gonna show here. Right here is really gonna be the bread and the butter where everything really comes into play. Now over here to the right, you have this button which is gonna show you all the emails that you have read. Then the one in the middle is gonna be your main inbox, and then the one on the left is going to be for your emails that you have set to read later. And I'm going to talk about that right now as I go through the touch gesture. So anyway, if I slide over here to the left, so this application is really based on touch gestures. So if I slide over here to the left with this email, you can see here, it's telling me that I have an option here. If I let go, it'll give me an option to snooze this email so I can read this at another time. So say I get an email in and I'm eating and I don't want to read it right now, but I do want this app to remind me. I can choose to have it remind me later today, this evening, tomorrow, this weekend, next week, and even in a month. Or you can pick your own custom date right here. And now you can scroll through and choose the time and the date. And then you'll get a push notification letting you know that your email that you need to read, and also that email will just automatically show back up in your inbox like a new message, so it'll be kind of hard to miss. Now if I slide all the way over here to the left a little bit further, oh fail, but if I slide all the way over here to the left right here, it'll give me an option to add this email to a list. So it has 3 different lists that come kind of pre-installed with the application, but you can create a new list if you want to, just like that. So again, this is very easy gestures right there. And now if I slide over to the right, it'll actually give me a little green icon here telling me that if I let go right here, it'll let me know that that message is read, and it'll show up over here in this particular folder or section or whatever. Now if I slide all the way over to the right, it'll go ahead and delete this email like that. Now if I go back here to a message that I read, if I want to send this back to my inbox for any reason, I can simply just slide back over to the left, or if I keep going, I can again have this thing to remind me to read the email like that. So again, all these touch gestures work very nicely. I do like it. Now on the left here, you do have this little button right here. If I can tap it right. Anyway, it'll show you all your different multiple inboxes. If you have, I just have one email sync at this moment. Then also you have your list, trash, your settings. If you want to get in here into your settings, you can actually adjust your signature, your snoozes, your sync preferences if you wanted to do that. And then also to your notifications and your app batch count. All right, so now I'm back in the main inbox here. I just want to show you something real quick. This application does help you get to inbox 0 faster than any other app out there. So inbox 0 basically means that you have no new emails waiting for you to read, which is definitely a mythical thing that a lot of people don't get to do. But anyway, this application can help you do it just by archiving everything, or just the everything except for the unread, or everything except for the start. And you hit that button and then boom, everything would be archived for you, and you can hopefully have a clean inbox. So anyway guys, this is a quick look at the application. This is everything I wanted to show you with the Mailbox application. Again, everything just works pretty smoothly, pretty fast, and once you get used to it, you can really go ahead and start zooming through emails. All right, so as you can see, the Mailbox app is a slick design application. Everything seems to work and function pretty smoothly. Now, there has been some downtime over the past couple of days where the servers kind of went down and the mail wasn't refreshing. But again, this is a small group of people here who are launching this application, and there are literally over 1 million people waiting to use this thing. So again, as I mentioned before, there is a waiting list for this application. So you need to download it right now if you're even interested in it and get in the waiting list. I think it's about 700,000 at least when last time I checked of people who are waiting to use this application. But the reason they're doing it is because they don't want their servers to be too overloaded. But anyway, guys, I think it's a cool app to check out. It's absolutely free, so it's definitely worth the download just to see if you may like it. It may not be for everybody. It's not totally perfect, but I think it's not that bad at all for a Mailbox app. And I personally think I'm going to start using this primarily as my mail application because it seems to work for me. So anyway, guys, before we end this video, let's go to take one last look at our sponsor for this video. Now, you probably can guess that the mobile app industry is definitely on fire right now. A lot of people are doing it, and Full Sail's University online mobile development bachelor's degree program can help you get a jump start on the competition and really take advantage of a lot of these emerging opportunities. In this degree, you'll learn both the programming and business sides of mobile development, and you'll be given all the tools to be able to develop and market an application from start to finish. Also, through Full Sail's Launchbox program, you'll be given a fully loaded MacBook Pro with all the latest industry software, plus iOS and Android devices to help you with your development. So if you're ready to master the technology and software to compete in this rapidly growing industry, visit fullsail.edu/soldier to learn more about this online degree program. Again, that's fullsail.edu/soldier. All right, guys, again, thanks for watching this video. Again, like always, please leave a comment down below what you think about the Mailbox app. I know some of you out there already have it. Leave that comment down below what you think about it. And thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you later. Peace.